Welcome, everyone. We have done in previous practices, we've done the healing sound and the inner smile. Today, we're going to bring those two together. They work very good together. The healing sound being more the purging practice to get rid of the stuff within you that doesn't feel good. And then we use the inner smile to bring in instead what we would like to replace that with. So, for example, if you tend to have a lot of fear or doubt within you, on feeling of uncertainty, we use the healing sound for the kidneys and the water element to purge those feelings. And then we use the inner smile to bring in the positive counterparts that you would like to feel within you instead, such as calmness and certainty, focus. And when we do these longer practices, 45 minutes or longer, you notice there's a certain structure we always keep. So before we move into the healing sound and the inner smile, the more meditative parts of the practice, we always do some breathing, we do some warm up, we do some stretching, some activation, so that you can be fully prepared both in your mind and your body when we move into the meditative aspects. It just won't work as well if you're tense, if your mind is racing. So we do this preparation to make you fully ready for the meditation, and then from there to create what you want to create. Create in this moment, create as a feeling within you, and then seeing that moving into your everyday life. So to begin with, hands on your dantian and having a good structure, this will create a better feeling within you compared to bad structure, bad breathing. So now close your eyes, focus on your deep abdominal breathing as you have a good structure, standing up with confidence, with ease, with calmness, and then focusing on your deep abdominal breathing. And then move into knocking on the door of life to activate, loosen up your spine and also your organs as you knock with your fists. Come up to your chest. Down to your sides. And then slowly unwind, keeping that good structure. Moving to spinal cord breathing to regulate your breath deep and full and stretch out the spine. Move into, open your heart to for the sky. Stretch out your chest more. And then come back to center. And for the side stretch in the spine, let's just bring our feet together. Arms up, interlace your fingers, stretch up and lean to the side. Inhale to center, lean to the other side. Stretching the side of your body and the side of your spine. And then close your eyes. And feel the stretch. Very good. Come back down. So we've done the spine now, and we worked some with the breath, although the breath goes through the whole practice that we do. Let's do some activation, 1,000 points of worry. All right, come back to center. Do some deep belly breathing. One more deep breath. And now let's loosen up the joints. Palms together behind your back. You bring them up, and the palms still touching. And you might notice that you tend to go like this. But you want to stand up, you want to bring the elbows, the shoulders back, and tuck the chin in. And also be aware if your pelvis starts going out like this, bring it back, bend the knee slightly, and tuck the pelvis in. And then from that place, we loosen up the neck. So circles. No need to go really far back. Especially if you feel pain when you do it smaller. But then close your eyes. Inhale through your nose, out through your mouth, and loosen up the neck. Change direction. You can even start with the inner smile in these warm-ups. If you just create a gentle smile on your face while you do this and send the smiling energy into the part of the body you're working with. So smile at your neck while you're doing this. Finish with your chin in front of your chest. Roll it up. Shake it out. And then let's loosen up the shoulders with the rooster tries to fly. Also bending the knees, waving the spine. Here also in through your nose, out through your mouth. Close your eyes and smile at your shoulders. Change direction. Very good. Come back down. Let's do the elbow. Take one hand on the elbow. Keep the palm there as you spiral like this. So your palm is always touching the elbow. And then you close your eyes. Create that smile on your face. And send the healing energy from your smile into your elbow. And then change direction. Very good. Both hands down, arms on the side. Keep your eyes closed, and for a while, just tune into both of your elbows and notice the difference. And let's do the other side. So keep that palm in contact with your skin all the time on the arm. And then close your eyes and send that smiling, healing energy into your elbow. You create with your mind. And you can shift the energy within you with the power of your thoughts and the healing. The inner smile is a very healing practice to help you do that, to shift your energy into a more positive one. Change direction. Very good. Both arms on this side. Close your eyes and feel both of your elbows. And you can keep smiling. Very good. Let's loosen up the wrist. Other way. And then the fingers, hands, just stretch them out. Close them, strong fist, and stretch. All right, the hips. Close your eyes and smile at your hips. Remember, when we do the inner smile, you don't have to have a really big smile showing your teeth. I might create some tension after a while. Just gently draw up the corners of your mouth and also imagine the smile. And smile at your hips and see how that helps to relax the hips and raise your own energy. Change direction. And then come back to center. Put your feet together. And let's do the knees. Hands on your knees. Make circles. Change direction. All right, come back up. Let's do full body shaking. We'll do 3 healing sounds today for the first 3 elements. So first one, the metal element for your lungs. And when you do this one, you also draw up the corners of your mouth. It's a bit like as if you're smiling. And then for the water element at your kidneys. And the wood element and your liver. All right, back to center. Hands on your dantian, good structure, and slow down your breath. And then open the flow. Make sure your hands go no higher than your shoulders, so the shoulders stay relaxed. You are gently shifting your weight to your heels without lifting the feet when you go down, and gently shifting the weight to your toes when you go up. Hands go up a little further away from you. They go down closer to your body. This is oblong shape. And then we're also bending the knees when we come down, waving the spine so you tuck that pelvis in, and then you come up. Never lock your knees fully. Even when you straighten up, the knees are still a little bit bent at the top. Help you to maintain your balance. And we're using the wave breath. Your breath leads the movement. When you come up, you inhale all the way from your belly up to your chest to the top of your lungs. When you move down, you exhale the reversed. And as your breath leads the way, you focus your mind completely on what you're doing. merging the movement with your breath, with your mind, with the main intention here to really calming down the mind, preparing ourselves for the flows. And now for the metal element and our lungs, Buddha holds up the earth. And let's do the version where the hands go out on the side. Same movement here, bending the knees, waving the spine. Palms are facing you, elbows out like this. Gently spiral the palms up towards the sky. Push the palms up. Exhale, they go out to the side. Full, complete wave breath. And then remember we said the healing sound is more for purging. And then we use the inner smile to rejuvenate, to bring in what we would like to replace what we released. So I want you, when you inhale, to smile at your lungs, filling them up with inspiration, gratitude, appreciation. And exhale the lung sound. Imagine that you're releasing from your lungs any stagnant energy, anything that keeps you from being inspired, appreciative, and grateful. With the metal element, we're releasing sadness, grief, depression, and we're bringing in gratitude, inspiration, appreciation. So do this for a while now in your own pace. Inhale, smile at your lungs. Exhale, do the lung sound out loud. And keep your eyes closed. Focus on your lungs, perching and then filling up. If you feel ready, you can take it a step further and use the color for each of the elements. For the metal and the lungs, the color is white. So when you inhale and smile, imagine strong, white, bright light into your lungs. And when you exhale, you're purging dark, disempowering energy from your lungs. Now move into the fountain for the water element and your kidneys. Same here, the hands don't go very high up. About when you reach your collarbones, you start moving them out so the shoulders can stay relaxed. Inhale as you come up. Your kidneys are on your lower back, about the same height as your navel. Notice how you massage them when you wave your spine, bend your knees. And then start to practice when you inhale, you smile at your kidneys. When you exhale, you use the kidney sound. With the sound, you're purging any fear, insecurity, doubt, any weak willpower. And with your smile and on your inhale, you're bringing in determination, strong willpower, but also peace, calmness within you. If your mind feels ready, the color for the water element is blue. So imagine breathing in strong blue lights to your kidneys as you inhale, and exhale, releasing darker, tense, heavy energy. And breathing in the strong, empowering blue light to your kidneys. Choo. 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 And now three sways in the wind for the wood element and your liver. Hands are same height as your lower dantian. Turn to one side. When you keep the hips forward, you get a massage to your liver. Hands on the side as you come up. Fingers pointing down your crown as you turn to the front. And then arms out to the side. And then the other direction. Inhale as the hands go up. Pause the breath as you turn. Exhale as the hands go down. Pause the breath as you turn. And then inhale again as they go up. And then bring in the smile, the inner smile. As you inhale, smiling at your liver, which is on the right side of your rib cage. Exhale the liver sound. And from the liver, we are purging any annoyance, frustration, anger within us that creates disease in the liver. And we are bringing in, as you inhale, as you smile, the positive counterparts, such as kindness, acceptance, flexibility, and resilience, creativity as well. And if you want to bring in the color, the healing color for the liver is green. So imagine that you're breathing in strong green healing light to your liver. And exhale, you're purging any tense, disempowering energies. Finish the movement. And then hands to your lower dantian. Walk your feet back in. Toes, heels, toes, heels. Maintain a good structure. Close your eyes. Massage your belly with circles. Come to stillness with your hands and move into a bamboo swing in the wind. Just allow your body to sway. Feel your feet on the ground. Notice the crown, the top of your head. And from there, its connection to the sky. And then come back into yourself. Sense your heart in your chest. I want you to think about something you're very thankful for. And then keep your eyes closed and just smile while you think about what you are grateful for. Nurturing, cultivating, filling yourself up with that feeling of appreciation. Keep smiling. And then expand your awareness. Feel your clothes, the air on your skin. Listen to the sounds around you. Move your fingers, move your toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. And I encourage you to try this out and bring the inner smile with you in everything you do today. Thank you.